Welcome to your guide to iReady and its use in our program to support your students' growth in reading and math. You'll learn what the iReady diagnostic is, how personalized lessons work, and simple ways you can help your students succeed at home. iReady is an engaging learning program that helps us understand what your student already knows and where they may need more support. It has two key parts: the diagnostic, which identifies your student's current learning level, and personalized instruction, which offers lessons targeted just right for them. Together, these tools help us create a learning path that meets your student right where they are. The diagnostic is an adaptive assessment, not a traditional test, but it's taken independently like one. It's designed to measure your students' reading and math skills and track growth. The diagnostic adapts in real time. Students are not supposed to answer every question right. A series of correct answers lead to more challenging questions. Incorrect answers lead to simpler ones. This helps us pinpoint the just right level of learning. Students complete the diagnostic 3 times each year, once in the fall, again in the winter, and a final time in the spring. These checkpoints help mentor teachers and learning guides track growth and adjust learning plans along the way. Between each diagnostic, students work on personalized lessons that are tailored to their individual needs. By the time the next diagnostic comes around, we often see exciting progress. The work your student puts in between diagnostics helps them move forward with confidence and helps us measure their growth over time. You can help set your student up for success by making sure they are well rested and that they take their time and do their best. And remember, it is expected that they won't know every answer. Just encourage them to keep going. The diagnostic can be taken over several days in short sessions. Just one important rule: don't help with the answers. If students get help, they may receive lessons that are too hard for them. Encouragement, not answers, is the best support. Once your student finishes the diagnostic, take a moment to celebrate their efforts and accomplishment. Mentor teachers will share results and help identify clear goals and growth areas. From there, iReady creates prescriptive lessons for your student. These lessons are carefully designed to address any skill gaps and build on what they already know in reading and math. The lessons are fun, interactive, and led by iReady's friendly characters who make learning feel like a game. Behind the scenes, they are building critical academic skills step by step. Each lesson builds confidence and moves your student closer to grade level success. Regular practice ensures steady growth and helps them stay on track throughout the year. Every effort deserves to be celebrated. You can keep motivation high by reminding your student how these lessons help them grow. Depending on their age level, you might use a marble jar or a sticker chart as your student completes lessons. You may celebrate each past lesson, and you may prompt your student by asking, "What did you learn about today?" Little moments of encouragement go a long way. Thank you for being such an important part of your student's learning journey. With your support and the power of iReady, we can help your student grow in confidence and skills. We're excited to keep learning and growing together.